Have you ever been sitting quietly and remembered an embarrassing moment that happened years ago?
Maybe you waved at someone who wasn't waving at you. Or maybe you tripped while everyone was watching. The strange part is, even after many years, your brain remembers it like it happened yesterday. But here's the question. Why does your brain keep replaying these embarrassing moments? Is it trying to make you feel bad? Or is there any scientific reason behind it? Let's find out. First, let's understand what happens inside your brain. Whenever something embarrassing happens, your brain treats it like an important emotional event. And your brain remembers emotional events much better than normal events. Think about yesterday.
Can you remember what you had for lunch 3 weeks ago? Probably not. But you can remember the embarrassing moments which was happened 5 years ago. That's because your brain doesn't save memories based on time. It saves memories based on emotion. The stronger the emotion is, the stronger the memory. Now let's see which parts of brain are involved.
There are two important brain areas. The first is amygdala. The amygdala acts like a brain emotional alarm system. Whenever you feel fear, embarrassment, shame or excitement, the amygdala becomes very active. The second is hippocampus. Its job is to store memories. When the amygdala sends a strong emotional signal, it tells the hippocampus. This movement is important, don't forget it. So the memory gets stored much more deeper than ordinary memories. That's why emotional memories stay with us for years. But here is something even more interesting.
Your brain is not trying to embarrass you. It's trying to protect you.
Long ago, humans survived by learning from mistakes. If someone touched the fire once, the brain remembered it very well so they shouldn't do it again. The same learning system works today. When you feel embarrassed, your brain thinks that situation caused social danger. So let's remember it so we do not repeat the same mistake again in future. Your brain believes it's helping you survive. Now here is another psychological effect. It's called the spotlight effect. The spotlight effect means we think everyone notices our mistakes much more than they actually do. Imagine you are giving a presentation. You accidentally mispronounced one word. Later you keep thinking, everyone must think I'm so awkward. But in reality, most people probably forgot about it within a few minutes. Some may have noticed, some may not have noticed it at all. Everyone is usually too busy thinking about themselves. In other words, you are the main character in your own mind, but not in everyone else. Let's take a simple real life example. Imagine you are walking into your classroom. You slipped a little while entering. A few classmates laughed. That night you couldn't stop thinking about it. A week later you still remembered it. But ask those classmates what happened that day. Most of them probably won't even remember. Why? Because for them it's just a small moment. For you it's carried strong emotion. So your brain saved it as an important memory. There's another reason these memories feel so powerful. Every time you replay the embarrassing moment, your brain strengthens it a little more. Think of it like walking on grass. The first time the path is small, but if you walk on the same path every day, it becomes clearer and easier to follow. Your brain works in a similar way. The more you replay a memory, the stronger that memory becomes. So sometimes, it's not the original embarrassment that's keeping it alive. It's the repeated thinking afterward. So how can you stop these embarrassing moments from bothering you? Here are the 3 simple tips. First, remember that people notice you far less than you think. Most people are focused on their own lives and their own problems. Second, don't replay the memory over and over. When it appears, simply notice it and gently shift your attention to something else. The less attention you give it, the weaker it becomes over time. Third, laugh at it. Almost everyone has embarrassing moments. In fact, many of the funniest stories people tell are about their own mistakes. The moment that feels painful today may become funny memory in the future.
So next time if your brain replaying those embarrassing moments, don't panic. You're not strange. You're not the only one. The brain is doing its work what is evolved to do. It's just protecting you from the mistakes. It is trying to help to avoid mistakes. But remember, sometimes your brain overestimates how important those memories were. People forget those embarrassing moments much faster than you think. So don't let one awkward moment define your confidence. Learn from it, smile, just move forward. Because your future is shaped by what do you do next, not from the embarrassing moments that you experienced in past.
If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to hit like, subscribe and share with someone who still cringes over something that happened years ago. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.